I've been pulled over by Officer 2973 of hostile male, getting my coffee at blends that I do every night approximately this time. License plate C8682F. Came up to me, grabbed me on my arm, tell me I'm drunk, I'm staggering down the street, and my attire is not properly. They want to brutalize me. They will not call a supervisor, which I requested several times. They say that they're too busy and he won't let me spend to write their numbers down, so I have to take my phone out so I can record it since I have a bad memory.
Okay, as we said before, keep your hands out of your pockets. We haven't searched you. We don't know what's in your
He
pockets.
says it was okay, that's why I did it. I asked
Said it
his
was okay
permission.
to look for a pen, and she doesn't feel comfortable with it, so please follow her directions.
No problem, officer.
Okay, so right now we're going to give you a breathalyzer. You can keep filming if you want. The phone has to be down. It has to be out of your hands. You can place it down if you want. This whole thing can be on camera if you feel like it.
Obviously, I don't feel safe.
There you go. You got your phone right now. Okay, keep your hands out of your pockets as we said before. Thank you. I'm going to read something out to you from a department-issued charter card. I have reasonable grounds to suspect that you have in the preceding 2 hours operated an external control of a motor vehicle with alcohol in your body. In accordance with the provisions of the criminal code, I hereby demand of you that a sample of your breath forthwith suitable for analysis using an approved screening device. So that basically means, in layman's terms, I think you may have had consumed some liquor in the past 3 hours. You can do this breath test to make sure that you're good. And if it shows a 0, you'll be good to go. You can go have your coffee, you can go about your day, okay? You're driving behavior, you're swerving a bit in your lane, you stumble out of the car. I don't know if you lost your balance, I don't know what happened. You were stumbling.
I disagree with
Okay,
you.
my observation, see a police officer, you step out the car, you're stumbling a bit all the way down here. That's how you pulled over. So we're going to do the breath test. Hopefully it's a 0, and then we'll be passing over. Before we start
I'll be
this,
happy and you'll be happy.
yes. Before we start this,
I'll be late for work. Can you
Okay.
hurry it up without causing
Yes,
any more?
stop all of them. We'll hurry it up. So have you had any liquor drinks at all today?
Like I said to you before several times, no, I do not drink. No, I do not drink, which I've been saying since you stopped me. I do not drink alcohol. No, I do not drink alcohol. No, I did not want any alcohol to drink. Yes, before I left, I brushed my teeth. Took me about 20 minutes to get here.
So about 20 minutes ago? Or ambience infused with
No.
alcohol? Have you smoked it?
Yes.
What time?
I just finished putting my cigarette out when I
Excellent. Have a great
Okay,
night.
so about 10
Yes,
minutes
sir.
ago, you say?
however long it took me over.
We're good.
Have you used one of these before?
Probably over 200 times.
Okay. Can you open your mouth? I just want to see that there's nothing in there. Move your camera.
How many times have you used it?
A few times. Okay, so the way you use it is you just take a normal breath in, make a seal around the mouthpiece with your mouth, with your lips, and then blow out a steady stream of breath like you're blowing up a balloon. And don't stop until I tell you to stop, okay? Take a breath in. Okay, blow. Okay, so just a steady stream of breath. So just like that, okay? Okay, breath in. Okay, blow. It makes a beeping when you blow, you're not blowing. Okay, so show me breath in. No, blow. Perfect, just like that. Keep going, it's going to take about 5 seconds, okay? Deep breath in. Okay, blow. Harder, harder, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect.
traffic. Can I have a supervisor now, please?
Why didn't you supervisor?
You can call and ask for a supervisor.
I would like a supervisor on the scene to explain why you guys are doing this to me.
Well, I just explained why we did that.
Because I'm walking down the street.
No, because you're swerving in your vehicle and you stumble out of your vehicle. And
Remember,
you
I
stumble down
said
the
I
street.
disagree with my vehicle and I did not stumble down the street.
That was my observations as a police officer. And I've
Yes,
done
so
many
your
of these.
observation is wrong. Maybe if you see me dancing, you think I'm stumbling and drunk too.
I don't know about that.
Have a great day, sir.
Yes.
Have a good night.
Yes, sir, you guys too. I think you should try to encourage a better relationship with the community, officer. It does affect good officer if you don't. Like I try to foster a good relationship when I meet people, so it doesn't fuck up my friends. Hey, what's up, man, brother? Pulls me over saying I'm drunk, I'm staggering down the street, and I'm driving staggering. He watched me. How could he see me? He's over there, and I pull up here. I tell him I come here every day.
Yes.
At the same time for coffee. I don't drink. They want to search me, do all of this. Don't put your hands in your pocket. He has his hand and his gun, right?
You know what? You said the other when you were talking, when you told me the other day that you got pulled over all the time because you're black. I was like, nah, that doesn't happen here. It's Canada, right? And then I saw you out there. I was like, no shit, they're totally giving them the run through right
Did
now.
you see what they just did to me?
I was watching, man.
Is that normal?
You were there for a good, like, what, 20 minutes?
Wants me to be late for work. Can I have my regular coffee, man?
Yeah, man, no problem.
Oh, we don't want you to be late for work.
What do you want? A small, medium, large?
Medium Americana.
Medium Americano.
Yeah.